A Day in My Life, Laura from Arequipa, Peru. Hello, everyone. Today, Laura is going to tell you a little bit about herself, her personal information, and her daily routines. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, my name is Laura, and I am 14 years old. I am from Arequipa, Peru, and I study in second grade of secondary school. My favorite subject is English because I enjoy learning new languages. I live with my parents and my younger brother. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning and get ready for school. I always eat a healthy breakfast because it helps me stay focused during the day. After school, I usually do my homework and help my mom with the house chores. On weekends, I like reading books and going for a walk with my family. I also love cooking, and I often prepare fruit smoothies for everyone. This is a little bit about me and my daily life.
That's all about Laura and her daily life. Thank you for listening. I hope you found it interesting, and I'd love to hear about your routines too. See you soon. This recording was brought to you by Ms. Gladys Ginez.